Hey creators, are you ready to take your content creation process to the next level? Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or social media influencer, I'm going to show you how to use Syllaby.io to create smarter, faster, and better content with ease. From idea generation to polished videos, Syllaby.io is the ultimate tool to simplify your workflow and save you time. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Syllaby.io and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a simple and easy-to-use dashboard designed to help you manage your content creation process. What you'll find on the left, discover ideas, reel clone, video editor, bulk scheduler, publish, my video, calendar, contact. Before using these options, let's discuss the pricing plan that is displayed in the center of this dashboard. Syllaby.io offers some plans. The pricing plans of Syllaby.io are called Basic, Standard, and Premium. You can subscribe to these plans monthly or annually. If you subscribe annually, you will get 15% off. If you buy from our affiliate link, which is in the description of this video, then you will have to pay even less for your subscription. If you want to try Syllaby.io for free, click on Start Free Trial. The free days on the next page will be displayed in the top left corner. If you want a discount, click here and enter the promotional code. After entering your email address, you can select a payment method from this list. If I select card, the card then card information box, card holder name box, and country region drop-down list appear. After entering the card number, expiration date, CVC number, cardholder name, and country name from the drop-down list, I click Start Free Trial. But before I can read this message, it shows a message that I can save money if I cancel the trial before 7 days. Idea generation is essential before script writing. For idea generation, you can click on Discover Ideas. The horizontal line at the top of the idea generation window shows social media platforms like Google, Google Trends, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Bing, and TikTok. If you want idea generation for a YouTube video, you should select YouTube and enter your keyword here. Before clicking on Discover Ideas, you want to select your niche to see what users are searching for in Syllabus. If you select your niche while clicking on this Discover Ideas. So these are the keyword-related queries that are being searched from YouTube. The trend of this question is continuously increasing. The competition is low. I should create content on it. So I will click on this plus sign. So two options will be shown. First avatar video and second faceless video. You can select any. I select faceless. Faceless videos have 3 navigation tabs like AI visuals, video vault, and B-roll videos. You can choose any one of them, so I select AI visual. Select the language from here. Select the subtitle from this drop-down list. Click here for voice. And click here for video length. If you want to do advanced settings, click on the advanced option. Click on the relevant tabs and set the settings. Finally, click on Close Preset and save the advanced settings. There are 3 options on which topic we should focus on. First, custom script. If you have a script, you can paste it here or you can write it. Second, AI script assistant. If you want to take help from AI script assistant, you can click on it and then select the topic. Third, video URL. If you have the video URL, you can paste it here. So you can select any of them. I select AI Script Assistant, and my topic is Syllabus. What is AI? After the script, you click on Generate Video. A pop-up message will show. On this message, you click on Create Video. If you want to create another video, then you click here, else you click on Go to Back Dashboard. So I click on Make Another Video. My rendering video is shown in my video. So I click on my video. After the rendering process, we click on the play button. So this video is amazing.
Digital age, creating captivating content is key, and that's where Syllaby AI steps in. Imagine an AI tool that understands your creative needs, enhancing efficiency and creativity simultaneously. By using advanced algorithms, Syllaby AI analyzes patterns and trends, generating content ideas tailored precisely for your audience. It not only suggests topics, but also provides a structured outline, making the daunting task of content creation less overwhelming. Syllaby AI's strength lies in its ability to maintain your unique voice while ensuring high-quality output. This means less time brainstorming and more time focusing on innovation and engagement. Embrace Syllaby AI and transform how you craft content, maximizing impact with minimal effort. Experience the future of content creation today.
Now I can edit this video by clicking on Edit Image/Subtitle. If I don't edit this video, then you click here and download, or you want to publish, then click on Publish. You publish this video on TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Bing in a very short time. I am interested in editing. I click here. If you want to edit this photo, then you click here. A new window will appear. In this window, you can add motion to the image. You can upload media from your computer by clicking here. You can use image generator, stock video, and asset library. So I want motion in this picture. I click on Add Motion. After editing, you click on Export Video. Again, pop-up message show. So you click on Export Video, then click on Go to Backup My Video, and here the rendering process shows started. When rendering process is complete, then you click on Play button.
Syllaby AI is a groundbreaking tool that reshapes the way educators and learners interact with knowledge. Designed to revolutionize the educational landscape, Syllaby AI harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to create personalized learning experiences. Imagine a platform that adapts to individual learning speeds and style.
Wow, it's amazing. Now you learn how you can publish video on your YouTube channel. You can follow two methods. First method, you will download this video and then upload it to your YouTube channel. But the second method is easy. In this method, you will click on YouTube icon from among these social media icons. A pop-up message will be shown. You will read this message, then you will click on Continue. Again, a new window will appear. In this window, you click on Continue. That appears below YouTube icon. Then by default, your email will be read by Syllaby AI. You will click on Email and click on Continue. After doing this, you will click on Manage You Video and view your account. Then you click on Continue. After some processing, your YouTube account connect with Syllaby AI. Description. Now you learn how to publish video on YouTube channel. After connecting your YouTube channel, you click on My Video tab. Then move cursor on video that you want publish. So public icons show, you click it. A window appears. In this window, your YouTube channel show. You can type description here. Or you click on suggested description. After few seconds, description of written in the description box. After description, with click on customize for each network, then new window appear. In this segment, you earn how to schedule your post. First, click on this button. Then scheduler calendar show. In this calendar, you select date and time. Then you click Discovered the Future of Education. After description here, you can write title here and tag here, then click on Schedule and Publish. And Syllabus.io is the ultimate tool for creators that saves time, increases productivity, and helps them create amazing content. Start your free trial today and see how it makes a difference in your workflow. The link is in the description below. Before you go, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can get more great tips on content creation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.